How you doing, everybody? This is Martin Mesa. Welcome back to Mortgage Mind, and today's video is entitled When Should You Buy or Refinance? Okay, the question is, when should you buy or refinance? When should you buy a house? When should you refinance the loan on your house? Those are good questions, and my quick answer is when it makes sense to you, given your current situation. That's when you should do it. You should buy a house when it makes sense for you and your family, when it's going to put you in a better position. You should refinance an existing loan on a home that you own when it makes sense for you, when that refinance is going to put you in a better position given your priorities, your goals. You need to get good information from people that work in that field, like for example, a real estate agent, a trusted realtor in your area when you're talking about whether or not you should buy or even sell a property. Or talk to a licensed mortgage professional like myself or someone at Rate 1 Financial about whether or not a refinance will put you in a better position. And maybe even get a few opinions from those professionals to get varying different perspectives to help you make a more informed decision. And then the other thing you don't want to do, and I think you should try to stay away from, is don't try to time the market, sort of holding out for something better in the future, because even the experts in these fields, the ones that get paid tons of money to try to predict trends regarding home prices and mortgage rates, even they're wrong almost 50% of the time. So if you're not an expert, what makes you think that you're going to time the market right? Most likely you won't, and you could hold out for something better that may never happen when you could have done something now if it's the right time for you to do it. So don't try to time the market. That's just my opinion. And then the last thing I want to tell you is try to detach as much as you can emotions from influencing the decision you make as to whether or not it's the right time for you to buy or refinance. The fear of missing out on something better in the future can often cloud your emotions. The fear of the unknown, especially when it comes to buying or selling property, can cloud your emotions and cloud your logic. And even what media, friends or family, and popular opinion out there is telling you that you should do can often cloud your emotions and not allow you to make sound decisions that are best for you and your family. So those are just my examples of things that you should consider when you're making these decisions. Thanks for watching again. Stay tuned to another episode of Mortgage Mind. If you like what we're doing, please like and share this with your friends and family. Have a good one.